What's up guys, it's Honesty and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So it's the holidays. The holidays are coming, okay? The holidays is right around the corner. It's 8 days away. So you guys already know what I'll be speaking about. I'll be giving you guys 4 bars or 4 pubs that you can actually visit or chill or go to for the holiday season here in Kingston, Jamaica. Okay? These places that I'll be telling you about, I have been there multiple times and it's a good vibe. So I thought, you know what? Our Prime Minister, aka Brogard, aka Andrew, he has given us an extra hour of freedom. Can we get an amen? You know what? I need to play this song. Party mash up again. So you heard that song, Party Mash Up Again? Yeah, that's gonna go down here. That's gonna be a vibe. Christmas in Jamaica gonna be a vibe. However, don't get me wrong, he did not give us the go ahead to keep events or anything, so there's no party that should be kept. But you know, at these 4 places that I'll be telling you guys about, at the 4 bars and pubs, number 1, they do have live DJs there. They have great food. Well, a few of them that I've been to that I've ate at. So 3 out of 4 of them I have ate at. So I can, you know, give you guys some insight on the food options. And, you know, drinks is a must. It's a bar. So yeah. And also as it relates to entertainment, I can tell you that all 4 of them provides live DJs. You know, so you can definitely catch a vibe of any one of these. So let's just jump into, you know, my lighting is gone, but it's okay guys. I'm using natural light and it looks like it's about to rain. Yeah, let's jump into it. So I think I'm gonna turn on my ring light. Just give me 1 second guys. Okay, it's still not better because the ring light is on my left, but it's all right. Let me just take another sip. So for number 1, in no particular order, the first one that I have is Escape. Escape 24/7. If you guys do not know about Escape in New Kingston, you guys are missing out. Escape has been around for years, and yes guys, they are 24/7. It's Corona time now, so it's no longer 24/7, but pre-Corona, that was a jam. You can get food, drink literally 24/7, any day, any time of the day, any time of the night. So yeah, but it's still a thing. Escape is still a thing. They still have live DJ playing. Food is great, drinks as well. The food is also affordable, and really every time I get to Escape I normally order wings. I really love their wings and fries, and it's bomb. Okay, so I do recommend going there. It's very nice, chill. It's a good time guys. It's really a good, if you want to party a little but party safely, you know, chill, drink with your, you know, your significant other or family, friends, it's a good vibe. And like I mentioned, they have live DJs, so I do recommend going to Escape. So the next that we have on the list is Jangas. I think you guys have seen that in a previous vlog where I did go to Jangas. Jangas, same, you know, same little chill vibe as Escape. They really have some nice, they really have good food and drinks. It's definitely a nice vibe. Of course, live DJ, they have different themes at different nights and stuff like that. So you guys can definitely check it out. And by the way, they're all on Instagram. Well, for Escape, they're not really that active on Instagram, on social media, but I'm sure Jangas is very active. So you guys can, you know, check out their page and you'll be able to see what, you know, specials they have or what different themes or, you know, what's going on with them. So I totally recommend Jangas. Good, local, nice vibe. Yeah, that's it. So the other one that we have is called Good Vybzz. actually fairly new. I think it's open around a couple of months now, and I'll just also add the Instagram down below. This is a very nice lounge. They also have hookah available there, so it's definitely a nice chill party vibe place that you can, you know, party safely and, you know, chill with whosoever that you're with. I've only been to this place once, but trust me guys, the vibe is nice and right. It's very chill. It's very a nice cool hangout lounge to actually hang at. I only had drinks there. I've never ordered the food, but yeah, it's a definitely good vibe. I really liked it when I went there. So I do recommend this place as well, and I will recommend it for the holiday season. Next on my list is Regency Bar. This is at Terra Nova Hotel. If you guys don't know it, like, I've been going to Regency for a long period of time. Like Regency was my go-to spot to just go chill, you know, have a good vibe, you know, kind of more laid back type of vibe. It's not really a party spot, but if you want to go there to get some good food and chill and just, you know, have conversations and stuff like that, that's a place that you can definitely go. So probably I would recommend you guys can go to Regency a little early, you know, chillax, eat, dine, and then after that you can go one of the other places that I suggested. You can go to Escape, Jangas, or Good Vibes, because those three places are more like a party. It's very noisy because you have live DJ playing, you know, chatting, dancing, etc, etc. So if you want to start off with something relaxing or chill first, I would recommend going to Regency first, and then, you know, you can go to one of the other spots. So yeah, so these are all the 4 places, guys, that I recommend. All of them have good vibes, nice food. All of them do have live DJs. You know, you'll never get bored at any one of these places. So yeah, these are my recommendation, guys, for the Christmas holiday here in Kingston, Jamaica. Don't get me wrong, there are other places, of course. I'm sure I've missed a bunch, because there's so many bars, there are so many new spots that have also popped up during the corona time, and yeah, a lot of stuff will be going on during the Christmas season, but I'll only recommend to places that I've actually been to, so I can give you guys, you know, the insight of what you can expect there. But yeah, for all of these places, they're good to go, and you will definitely have a nice vibe. You will have fun, guys. Don't get me wrong, you will have fun. So yeah, so this is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys plan to go any one of these spots that I've recommended, or if you'll be going to other new spots, you can just add it down below and tell me, you know, where are your go-to spots, so probably I can, you know, add that to my list in the future when I go there. So yeah, so appreciate you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays when it comes. I don't think I'll be posting any videos for Christmas and New Year's. I'm not sure. It may be my last video for the year. I'm not 100% sure yet, but if it is, I appreciate you guys for all the support this year. Starting January, it will be 1 year that I'm on YouTube, so 1 year anniversary is coming up, guys. I will be definitely starting next year. I'll be putting more into this channel, find more stuff to do, find more time. Yeah, so I'll definitely be putting 100% into this channel starting next year, January. Well, the middle of the January, ending of January. Yes, that's definitely a promise. But thank you guys again for watching this video, and happy holiday, guys, to you, and take care. Bye.